What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This week we're not really installing anything on the car, but like I said, I wanted to give you guys an insight of my future plans for the Spoon ES1. So I decided I'm going to share with you guys what I have got in the mail and an item that was gifted to me by my wife for Christmas. Obviously Christmas is long gone by now, but I want to share with you guys because I'm very excited. It's a direction I never thought I was actually going to take the Civic in, but ultimately it's a direction that it needs to go to. Originally my plan was to keep the car built all motor. As you guys know, a couple years ago we blew the built motor, then I swapped in a Japanese K24. We built the head, put the stage 4 cams in it, made decent power, but always want a little bit more jam, and I've always wanted 300 horsepower all motor, but the amount of money to build a car all motor to just get 300 horsepower or even remotely really close to it, it's not worth it. And I thought of supercharging the car and outweighing the price of doing a Craftworks or even a root style supercharger versus turbo. Turbo essentially would always end up being the cheaper route and the quickest way to make the power that I want. By no means do I want power to say on Instagram or anything that, oh look, oh, clout chasing, I make this. I really don't care. Honestly, I want to make anywhere from like 3 to 4 maximum, because I still want to enjoy the car on the street. And I have a lot of friends that have high horsepower cars, and I know a lot of people with high horsepower cars, and they seldomly drive on the street because it's not ideal, it's not comfortable. So I don't need big power aspects, and let's be honest, 350, 400 horsepower to the wheels on the street, it's fast and it's fun. I want to share with you guys my turbo. I'm going to open it up, and over here I got from Amazon my turbo feed kit. So we're gonna go open it up and show you guys. Alright guys, so as you guys can know, it's a Max Speeding Rods turbo. I am going to be boosting the Civic on a budget. I am not going to be going extremely crazy. I'm going to be spending the money on a wastegate, and because that's essentially very important. I don't really trust these eBay ones and stuff like that, but I've seen great reviews on these Max Speeding Rod turbos. This is GT35. Honestly guys, I don't know a lot about turbos. I know a little bit, so I'll leave the specs of this turbo on somewhere over here, or even in the description. But I got this on Amazon, or actually got this on Amazon, and I shared it to my Amazon storefront. If you guys are interested in purchasing, it's like 212 bucks. It's a very affordable turbo. I'm gonna pull it out so you guys can get a better look. E3 style turbo, you guys can see, it's a small little thing, but perfect for the power I want to run. Like I said, I'm not looking for crazy horsepower. You guys can see it's a very nice turbo. I mean, very similar to a Garrett style turbo, the ones from back in the day that I seen a lot of guys running. But yeah, it's not a bad unit, but it's a nice looking turbo. Honestly guys, I'm not aspiring for crazy power. I'm not racing the car. It's just for my sheer pleasure and entertainment. Also, I want to prove that I can do a nice budget turbo while retaining a clean base still and reliability. Just spending the money where I have to spend. But guys, a lot of people are competing with these. I've seen great reviews on them. They hold up to 600 horsepower, so I figured why not. It's $200 that I didn't spend, Ashley spent, and she surprised me with a wonderful gift. So I'm really happy about that. Very nice. Not much more I can say. Like I said, I'm not really knowledgeable on turbo. Obviously I'm going to be learning with you guys when time comes, but like I said, I'm not rushing into it. Still be collecting a lot of parts, and I still gotta get things cleared before I can go full 100% on this build of boost. Like I said, I gotta fix everything with the ES1 first, and then I gotta clear some other things first. And I'm gonna unbox the turbo feed line and return kit. Also, I like how they give you a badge. It's not even like a sticker, it's a nice badge. So I'll find a nice spot for that in the Civic after. And then gaskets and all that. So honestly guys, I'm really stoked because it's taken Mercer a very long time to convince me to go boost. I know Diogo's like ecstatic because it's one of his things he's always said, oh, you gotta go boost, and then for the longest time I was like, nah. And now everyone's pretty happy that I'm going boost. Obviously I'm going for myself because I want to attain my horsepower goal, just to be a little bit faster, make some spoolie noises, and I just want to hear a wastegate open up and scream. Alright guys, here's the turbo oil feed and return kit that I got on Amazon from Black Horse Racing. Like I said, the link to all these are in my Amazon, the shopping cart on their car parts. So you guys, if you want to get them, you guys can get them. I wanted to save some money, so like I said, I'm doing everything on a budget, but we're gonna do it nicely. I know everyone's probably like, oh, you know, the color of the AN fittings, they resemble like the Russell kind, which is red and blue. I really don't care about the color. It saves you a lot of money just already getting all the parts, all the fittings and the IP fittings, and then you got the 2 braided lines, one for the return and one for the feed. So it's not a bad kit, very affordable, and that's one thing I want to do. I want to show everybody you can have a really nice turbo setup, a very affordable turbo setup. Like hell, the Booster Boys have been doing it for years with their eBay stuff, and you know, they've been killing it. But like I said, I wanted to dive into boost, but do it affordably. I'm not trying to achieve crazy horsepower. I just wanted to share with you guys, this is the future plan, the direction that the spooniest one's going to be going, and we're not going to be boosting the EL. Maybe down the road, long road, we'll give it a root style supercharger, because it being automatic and everything like that, we're going to keep it on the all motor side. So the long-term plan for the EL is obviously going to be a K20, K24 all motor build. Probably just do a stock 24 bottom end, oil pump, and build K20 head, which we already have. And guys, just keep that one all motor more reliable for everyday use. And you know, all motor is pretty quick, but for the EL it would be perfect. And you know, just give it some boost onto the Civic, you know, maybe 15 pounds of boost, and just enjoy it. You know, if it makes whatever it makes, you know. But if it makes over the power I want, we'll just dial it down, with always the option of turning up the boost if we ever need to. But like I said, I just want to have a conservative 350, 400 horsepower. That's my goal. I'm not trying to race anybody, not trying to chase clout. I just doing it for me because I just want to go a little bit faster, and I want to hear that wastegate scream. Something about K's on boost with the wastegate just opening up and just screaming, and it's all that fun stuff, you know. Of course you guys know. So I hope you guys are just as excited as I am to see the next evolution of the spooniest one. But like I said, first, I'm gonna be doing things slowly, so I'm going to be gathering parts over time slowly. I got to see the plug, obviously, because he's got some of the good stuff that we need, like a wastegate, nice blow off valve. I really want to do the tile stuff, so I want to do a tile wastegate with a matching blow off valve. They sound really nice, and those are pricey items, especially with the way the prices are right now. But you know, better safe than sorry. You know, get the turbo blankets, because Garage 16's got his own turbo blankets, and you know, I got to represent the plug. So down the road. So I've been saying so a lot. I hope you guys are excited for the journey, and a lot of the stuff are going to be on Amazon, some eBay stuff, but decent stuff nonetheless. And I'll leave the links to all of them, so if it helps you guys, if you guys are curious into doing a turbo build, then yeah. Also, guys, don't forget, if you guys are in the market for LEDs, headlights, taillights, you name it, in the description below there's a link. Use 15% discount code at checkout, Paul Fordor. You get 15% off everything on that site on Auxito. So hit that link down below if you want to save on LEDs, and yeah, get yourself some dope products and save yourself some money. That's it for this video, guys. Nothing crazy. My next video is probably gonna be something on the CR-V. I finally got something nice, an OEM part that I've been hunting down since I bought the CR-V. So finally got it, and that'll be next week's video, guys. Thanks for taking the time to tune in. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.